Okay, let's go. Syllabus. Okay, let's go. Let's do payment terms. What are payment terms? Anybody?
Within how many days the payment will be done?
Correct. Read this, Indumati.
Payment terms in SAP FICO are rules that determine an invoice due date and calculate any cash discounts offered for yearly payment. They act as core component of account payable and account receivable to ensure cash flow accuracy, and they are typically defaulted from the business partner, vendor or customer master data.
Okay, all right. So, payment terms in SAP FICO are rules that determine an invoice due date and calculate any cash discounts offered for early payment. So, forget about cash discounts, but let's say I have a transaction and I have to pay Indumati. So, I have to pay her in 10 days, 15 days, or 5 days, or that has to be decided. Yes or no? That is called a payment term. Now, how to create that in the system? Let's go. So, Pragati, Ashutosh, Indumati, Pooja, Alekya, Kartiki. All of you can hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, let's go. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, business transactions, incoming invoices, credit memos. Can you see maintain terms of payments here? Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Maintain terms of payments. Let's go here. Yes. Now we'll go to new entries. Okay. Now we'll maintain terms of payment here. Yes. Let me. What is it? What is our company code? Company code क्या है अपना?
Retain one.
So we can take terms of payment also as A, and you can take SAN2. SAN2 as terms of payment. Okay. It's like that. Then it will valid for customer and vendor. Yes, we'll take it from the document date. And let's say the payment terms is 10 days. Any payment we have to make it in 10 days, within 10 days. Okay. So press enter. Now see, what does it say? Within 10 days due net. Yes or no? Everyone. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Within 10 days due net. And then we'll save it. SAN2 is our terms of payment. Okay. Now SAN2, we have made it. Now let me go back. Yes. Now it is 10 days, eh? 10 days. If I make a post, if I've made it today, 11. So until 21, 06, 2026, it will show not due. Yes or no? 10 days. Yes or no? For 10 days, it will show not due. Yes or no? On
Yes.
Yes, sir.
22nd, on 22nd, it will show
Due.
due. Yes. And after 23rd, it will show overdue. Yes or no? Clear? This concept is clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we'll go. Now we have to enter the payment terms in our vendor. Let's go. PP. Oh, now what is our vendor number? We have created a vendor, right? Anybody remembers the vendor?
4200.
Yes, 4200. So you take supplier number here. Yes. You have to select supplier number here. Enter 4200. Enter. Which is Shravya INC. Double click. Open it. FL FLVN01 00. Wait. Now I have to go to FLVN01. Purchasing I have to go to. And can you see payment terms here? Yes or no? Below currency payment terms. Yes, you have to
Yes, sir.
enter a pay. What is our payment term? क्या है हमारा पेमेंट टर्म क्या है?
No, 10 days, above 10
10
days it
days.
will be due.
Correct. But what is the payment term that we created? We created a payment term, right? SAN2, yes or no? SAN2.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Payment term is SAN2, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Select it,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
press enter, and then save it. Yes, now payment term added. Yes or no? Payment term has been saved in the vendor. Now, vendor invoice. What is the T code to create a vendor invoice now? First, I'll go here, OV57, remove this, make it SA N1, tolerance group. Yes. What is the T code to create a vendor invoice? Anyone?
FB60.
Very good.
FB60.
Very good. FB60. Now we'll enter the vendor 4200. We have to change the company code first. Let's say N1. Yes.
1.
4200. Yes. Now we'll put the amount 5000. Purchase account. Purchase account debit. Yes. Amount we can put 5000.
5000.
Enter. Currency INR. Enter. Yes. It's green. We'll go to payment here. Yes. After entering everything, document type is KR. Enter. We'll go to payment. Payment term. What is a payment term?
SAN2.
Correct. Let's find it. SAN2. Select it. Enter. Can you see 10 days? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Enter. Okay. And now we can post it. Save it. Save. Yes or no? 400004 was posted. Yes or no? Now we have to go. Now what is the reporting for this? Where can we see it? Reporting for vendor line. Where can we see it? वेंडर रिपोर्टिंग के लिए टी कोड क्या है?
Sir, FBL3N.
FBL3N is for
Uh,
GL account posting.
FBL1N.
Correct. FBL1N. FBL1N. Very good. Company code. Open items if we go to now. Execute. Yes. Now 400004. Now can you see here? What does it say?
Not due.
Not
Not,
due.
not due. Okay, I also want to see the due date. Where is the due date? Due date is not here. Let's add the date here. Let me go here, change layout. Due date, document date, net due date symbol. It is there now. Due date, document date. Uh, where is the due date? Net due date symbol is there. Okay, let me just show. See whether you can see due date. Okay, here. Now net due date. Select this. Select net due date. Get it here on the left hand side. Yes, now new date, new net due date is here. Yes. Select it. Copy. Yes. Now can you see net due date here? Yes or no? Yes. Now,
Yes, sir.
if you see here,
Yes,
this
sir.
is not due. 11th of June. That means today it is not due. When will it be due? 21st of June after 10 days. Yes or no? Yes, no?
Yes.
Got the concept
Yes,
now?
sir.
Payment terms, how does it work? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
got it.
Yes, sir.
This is payment terms. Easy, no? Easy concept, difficult concept. Hello everyone. Easy concept, difficult concept. Pragati, Ashutosh, Alikya, Indumati, Pooja, Kartiki. Easy or difficult? Pooja?
Concept is easy, sir, but remembering is difficult.
Correct. You have to practice. Pooja, have I given you access? पूजा को एक्सेस दिया है क्या 10 AM ना जस्ट चेक हाँ पूजा शर्मा आई हैव गिवन यू एक्सेस यस और नो ओके ऑलराइट साउंड्स गुड